If you're thinking about buying a car,
you don't have to go very far. Larry Reed is the dealer that says why not? Whatever you're looking for, Bloomington, Chrysler, Jeep, and Dodge has got.
The 2013 Grand Caravan is perfect for drivers looking for an exceptional value, plus all the versatility, room, safety and technology, and reliability. The 3.6-liter Pentastar engine applies some of the most advanced automotive engine technology. The result is an exceptional blend of high torque, fuel efficiency, low emissions, and first-rate noise, vibration, and harshness control. Open any of the Grand Caravan's doors and you'll be welcomed by superior craftsmanship and well-appointed interior design details. The DVD player features input jacks to accommodate the all-important gaming and video possibilities during long trips. The available 3-zone automatic climate control system keeps everyone comfortable via its electronic thermostats. The push of a button activates the available heated steering wheel, keeping the driver's hands warm, even when it's cold outside. The legendary stow-and-go seating and storage system includes second and behind the third row in-floor storage bins. Safety is in high regard with the Grand Caravan. Features like electric stability control, airbags for all 3 rows of seating, park view rear backup camera, blind spot monitoring, and more keep you safe. The 2013 Dodge Grand Caravan. Explore everything, do everything.
Whatever you're looking for, Bloomington, Chrysler, Jeep, and Dodge has got.
Come see us today at 8000 Penn Avenue South in Bloomington, Minnesota.